A car moves at 60 km per hour for 2 kilometers and 40 km per hour for the next 2 kilometers. Find the average speed of the car. There are two different speeds in the given problem. From A to B, which is 2 km, which we represent it as x1, the car travels at a speed of 60 km per hour. B to C is the second portion of the journey. The driver decides to travel at a speed of 40 km per hour. Let's denote it as V2. And again, B to C is the same distance as A to B. And let's denote it by x2. In this problem, anyway, x1 is equal to x2. So, what do we want to find? We want to find the average speed of the car. We know that the average speed is given by the formula x1 plus x2 into v1 v2 divided by x1 v2 plus x2 v1. You know what is x1 and x2. x1 is the distance traveled in the first portion of the journey. x2 is the distance traveled in the second portion of the journey. v1 is the velocity during the first portion and v2 is the velocity of the body during the second portion. Now how this formula looks like, or how do you read this formula? Average speed is equal to x1 plus x2 into v1 v2 divided by x1 v2 plus x2 v1. Anyway, I have done the derivation of this formula in my previous video. Now let us just substitute the different values that we have here for x1, x2 and v1, v2. So substituting the respective values, x1 plus x2, 2 plus 2 because x1 is 2 and x2 is also 2, into v1, v2, 60 into 40 divided by 2 into 40 plus 2 into 60. The denominator is x1 into v2 plus x2 into v1. Simplifying this, we get 48 km per hour. So the average speed of the car is 48 km per hour. Many students think that since it is average, they think that it is 60 plus 40 divided by 2. That's wrong. Anyway, this is a problem for the entrance examination also. So remember, to find the average speed of a body, the formula that you should use is x1 plus x2 into v1 v2 divided by x1 v2 plus x2 v1.